Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back. So I'm here to bring you guys an Amazon wig that I did find a few days ago and I wanted to try it out. It is a U-part synthetic wig. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so here is the unit. This one is Big Beautiful Hair, Dominican Body Curl in length 20 inch, and this is in natural black. This is a leave out wig, which I'm really excited for because you don't find that many synthetic leave out wigs that are like good quality, but I really want one because I love the synthetic U-part wigs because they come pre-styled. You don't have to curl them, you don't have to do anything except for just work on your leave out, and outside of that the wig is good to go. So here is the unit, very pretty. There is the leave out at the top. So as you can see, this wig comes in multiple different colors: jet black, natural brown, chocolate brown, dark dragon fruit, and dark ginger toffee, and 1BT 3027. So here is what the construction of the wig looks like. You got 1, 2, 3 small combs at the top. You have a comb in the back, you have adjustable straps, and you have combs by the ear. So you're definitely gonna get a lot of good security in this wig. So let's go ahead, now that we've seen the leave out wig. Oh, it looks like there's also something here to hold these curls in place while it ships. So for my hair, as you can see, I do have, my hair is freshly washed and blown out. Can't find a comb for some reason, so I'm gonna just find a pick and just take a little bit of my own edges out, not much at all. Wow, can't believe I measured that perfectly. That's kind of crazy. But here we are. So guess I measured that pretty perfectly. All right, so I'm just going to flat iron my hair straight first, and then if I need to put like a curl in it, I can go back and do that. I always start off with like a chunk just going straight back of my hair, and then I go ahead and separate my part. The fact that I'm doing this and I don't even have a comb is wild. Okay, so I did that pretty straight, but I'm kind of thinking now this may need a little bit of a curl. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of a curl because I think it's gonna need it. as far as my edges, I don't really feel like they need to be flat ironed, but I guess for the video I will. If I was wearing this out just like on a regular day, I really doubt I would flat iron these edge pieces. And actually I forgot to clip these parts down. I'm gonna just clip that into the braid. Remember there's a comb on the side here. So I forgot to put that comb in. All right, so now let me go ahead and so now the edges are done. Go ahead and split the hair in half. This is actually really pretty. And it looks very natural already. And I haven't even done anything, but it looks very natural. Very natural vibe. So pretty happy with it thus far. I don't have a smaller comb, so I'll just make this work. I love these curls. As far as the picture, I think it looks a little different. I think it looks a little different than the picture. Still a beautiful look, but a little different than what the picture might suggest. Pretty, definitely pretty. This is a beautiful wig. I love these curls. I love that we have more options in the synthetic leave out wig category. I feel like we never really have that many options that come pre-styled, right? There's a lot of them that are like headband wigs or, you know, just straight. But ones that are pre-curled, pre-styled with a lot of color options that look natural, that have this natural kinky texture, is a lot less of them. That are U-part wigs. There's a lot of half wigs, but U-part wigs specifically are more limited in range and availability. But this one is available on Amazon. So highly recommend. Very, very beautiful unit. I'm absolutely loving this wig. It looks so natural. Let me turn off my flat iron. It looks so natural. Nice and full. Very pretty. You could wear it on a side part. Very, very beautiful. Love it. Don't have a bad word to say. You should grab her. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do one thing for me. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, and give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.